After falling into the slime pit, I found a secret tunnel underground. There are 2 paths ahead, one glowing yellow, the other full of spider webs. I'm choosing the glowing one. Let's hope it leads to safety. 3, 2, 1. Wait, it's a trap door. I'm falling again. What would you have picked? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for part 3. As I plummet into the darkness, panic rushes through me, but there's also a thrill of adventure. What lies below? Is it danger or discovery that awaits? My heart races as I try to brace for impact, hoping to find something unexpected at the bottom.